Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, we're going to do sneakers and tech. So I actually have a brand new pair of Adidas Superstars over here that are ridiculously expensive, but I like the brand, I like the collaboration. So we'll get to the unboxing and on-feet review of this one first. And then we will end the vlog by unboxing a new smartphone that arrived today that I'm super excited to test out and review for you. The review obviously will be on a different episode. This is the OnePlus 8 Pro. Several YouTubers, tech personalities have actually called this the best Android phone of 2020. Well, at least so far, or the best flagship. So we'll put that to the test maybe in the coming days ahead. But for this episode, we'll do the unboxing of the shoe, we'll do an on-feet review, then we'll unbox this phone, and then we'll probably end there. So if that interests you, let's go! By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are giving away this Realme C3 smartphone. You have to subscribe, you have to follow me on Instagram, you have to like my Facebook page. The links to all of those can be found down below in the description box. And I have a video that talks about where you should leave a comment so you can be part of the raffle. Watch that video. The link to that is also in the description box. Good luck. So let's get right into the unboxing. Now, 2020 has been the year of superstars because Adidas has been putting a lot of marketing muscle behind the classic silhouette. Now, this is a collaboration between one of my favorite brands and favorite designers, Nigo from the brand Human Made. Now, I won't go through the entire history of Nigo. Just know that he's good friends with Pharrell. He has his own line. He started Bape, and he is absolutely kick-ass. So with that, let's open the shoe. Let's open the box of the shoe. So it comes your typical blue 3 stripes Adidas box. I did get it in size 13. So as you guys can see over there, Superstar Human Made size 13. Let's pop the box open. Ba-bam! Okay, so let's take a closer look at the Adidas Human Made collaboration with the Superstar silhouette. Now, the upper is primarily made of that same good quality leather that you get with the Adidas Superstar. You have the shell cap, shell toe, whatever you want to call it over here at the end. The midsole is actually a bit cream. So it's a bit on the off-white color. I'm not sure if the camera is registering it properly. If you take a look at the 3 stripes, it actually has the tagline of Human Made, which is gears for futuristic teenagers. And then you have perforated hearts in between the 3 stripes, both on the lateral and the middle side. If you take a look at the back, it has the Human Made logo on the left pair. And if you take at the right side, it also has the same. Of course, when it comes to the tongue tab, you have the Adidas logo and you have some sort of like suede padded insole over here inside the shoe. So that said, let's put it on feet and just get a feel for the sneaker. So how is the Adidas Superstar Human Made on feet? Well, basically just like any other Adidas Superstar. To be honest, this is one of those shoes that I wish I could wear all the time, but I just can't. Why? If you take a look at the base, the midsole and the outsole, it's a bit narrow. So it doesn't work really for people like me who have wide and flat feet. Number one, the issue is support. I don't get the stability for my arc or for the arc of my foot. And that leads to instability during certain times of the day. And that also upsets the overall comfort that I get, especially if I'm going to clock in thousands of steps within or throughout the afternoon or the evening, especially when I am traveling. And then we have to go talk about the overall look. Because the base is narrow and my feet is kind of wide, there's a tendency for my foot to spill over the base, which is one of the ugliest things to look at, in my opinion anyway. That's the reason why I don't wear Cortez sneakers. That's the reason why I rarely wear Puma suedes. And that's the reason why I avoid Stan Smiths and Superstars, because it's not really the best for people with wide feet. Now, having said that, seeing as I am a huge fan of Nigo and seeing as I've always wanted to have a Superstar that I could wear regularly and not give, not care about what people think as long as I love wearing it, this is probably the pair that I would go for. I love the contrast of colors with the sail/off-white together with the white. I just love how clean it looks. I love the branding. I love the human-made heart at the back of the heel. I love the designer. I love the story of the designer. I love the collaboration. I love the history of the Superstar. And ultimately, if there's any Superstar that I'm willing to wear and put up with the instability and put up with the fact that it doesn't look, the best on my feet, this is probably it. I was able to get my pair of the Adidas Human Made Superstar from an online reseller, My Boost Closet. Thank you, Abe. Appreciate it. Appreciate the hookup. Appreciate the good price. So if you guys want to get one, might want to check him out. I'll put the link down below to his Instagram. So we'll set this shoe aside first and then go to another part of the vlog, which is something that I'm super excited about, which is our unboxing of the OnePlus 8 Pro. Now, like what I mentioned earlier, this has been getting a lot of hype on the local and international tech YouTube scene. Tech reviewers, tech analysts are calling it one of the very best Android flagships that you can buy today. And it is a flagship because it will sell for 45,000 pesos here in the Philippines. 45,000 pesos. Yes, it is pricey. Yes, it is not the cheap, affordable flagship killer. It is already a flagship at that particular price point. However, there are important things. It carries the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, so you can expect beastly performance. It has 8 gigabytes of RAM. It has 128 gigabytes of internal storage, and it is already 5G capable. So at least you have a future-proof device with your smartphone. So this is what it looks like. I have it in the onyx black color. I'll set the phone aside first and we'll take a look at the box together. It says over here, never settle. You have a piece of plastic that you can use to tug this part away, and then you get the other parts of the box, or what's inside the box. You have a clear case, silicone that says never settle. This looks really nice. Totally digging this. You have a USB to USB-C cable for charging, and of course you have the wall charger with the OnePlus branding. Inside this, you have your manuals and all the other stuff that you would normally need, including the SIM ejector tool. I'll do the actual review in a separate episode because that will take much more time than what we have today. I actually have a talk in a couple of minutes. Time check, I actually just have like 30 minutes left. I have to prepare for that talk. I'm going to give I'm going to be part of an online panel talking about influencers. The topic is, has this pandemic killed the internet star? So it's going to be a very interesting talk. What I'll do is, when I upload this video, I'll try to get the link of the panel because I'm pretty sure that it's open to the public, and then I'll put the link down below so you guys can watch it just in case you want to. But anyway, so let's take away the plastic. Wow, this, man, oh man, now that is a serious flagship device. Only thing I hate about it, just by looking at it, is that it has that annoying edge, curved edge, which I'm not a fan of. I hate that actually with my Galaxy Note 10 Plus, one of the most annoying things ever because it's prone to like accidental touches. But hopefully the case, this one, will be able to solve that. Oh wow! Guys, it looks amazing with the never settle thing at the back. Totally digging this one. Anyway, so let's set this aside first. I was able to get this from our good friends from Digital Walker. So watch out for the official local release coming soon. I'll post details on my Instagram account as soon as I get them. And moving forward, all the photos that you guys will see on my Instagram starting from today will most likely be coming from this device. If you're curious about the photography capabilities, the camera capabilities, be it the front-facing or the rear-facing camera, you'll get a better vibe, you'll get a better look at it and a feel for it if you follow me on Instagram. Just notice that the camera is, weird. But anyway, that's actually it for our vlog for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. It's pretty straightforward, a double unboxing. We have a really kick-ass sneaker, white red. We have a really exceptionally kick-ass phone with the OnePlus 8. Please do watch out for my full review of the OnePlus 8 Pro coming very soon. Maybe give me around 2 to 3 days to play around with the device. I'll put in my SIM card after this video and after my call. And yeah, I'm excited to try it out and test the capabilities of the phone. And for our power-up words of wisdom for the day, the word that I want to impress upon all of you is the word evolve. What does evolve mean? It means changing, it means adapting to the current situation, it means adapting to your environment, adapting to the challenges around you so that you are still set up for success. And that is something that we all have to do with the new normal. That is something that we all have to do post-COVID-19. changing because the world has truly, truly changed. I mean, it's no longer the same, guys. Even if the ECQ is lifted, not a lot of people will be going out. Businesses will be challenged. Livelihoods will be challenged. So you really have to take a hard look at your current situation and make the decision to change the things that you need to change so that you can move on with your life and still be successful despite the current situation. So again, the power-up words of wisdom for the day, as well as my challenge for you, you need to evolve. And with that said, I hope you guys are good. Peace. God bless. What's up? Boom.